Hello, Guessman here. I'd like to present Bazematic, my ZX Spectrum live coding environment inspired by Bazematic. So let's full screen this and see what it can do. To get something on screen quickly, I'll copy some random junk from the ROM. Now this runs entirely in the browser. It's a mashup of my JS spec emulator with Rasm, the superfast assembler by Rududu of Resistance, and the Ace code editor. So we'll get a bit of movement going on here. I'll move the junk printing routine inside the main loop and set the source address to increment on each frame. And let's see how that looks. And that is way too fast because it's not frame limited, so I will stick a halt up here. There, that's better. So the idea for this came from this year's Nova, where we had a combined live coding jam. It was a free-for-all where you could use whatever coding environment you wanted. So, just to be awkward, I decided to join in with some Z80 live coding on the Spectrum. But since there were no proper tools for it, I had to keep swapping between the emulator, the text editor, and the assembler, which is not a very efficient workflow. And this is my solution. The controls are very simple: Command S to save and recompile, and Command H to show and hide the code. So I'll just do some quick and dirty copy and paste here to get some more variations further down the screen. If I make any errors, like forgetting to update these labels, that will be shown in angry red text at the bottom. So let's fix those. Make this one scroll a bit faster while we're at it, and let's see how that works. And I've broken it because I'm updating the ROM counter here, so let's fix that, and there we go, we've got a nice bit of parallax going on. If you're wondering about the name, I figured that since Garguy named Bonzomatic after Bonsai of Plastic, who organised the early shader coding events at WeCan, I would name it after legendary ZX Spectrum coder Baze of 3SC. Now, obviously, I'm not going to interrupt the wild compo with a full-length live coding set, so I'll just add a few finishing touches here and call it a wrap. So that's Bazematic. It's a very simple app thrown together in about a week. There's no networking support right now because, honestly, I don't know if anyone but me is ever going to use this. So if you'd like to try it out, head to bazematic.demozoo.org. Have fun, and thank you.